In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Monday.com. If you've ever updated the wrong field or overwritten something important in a hurry, don't worry. Monday has an activity log that lets you roll specific changes back to a previous value. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it confidently. Start by heading to your Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, look to the left side navigation and open workspaces. This is where all of your boards live, grouped by teams or projects. Choose the workspace that contains the board where the change happened, then click into that board to open it. Boards are made up of items, which are the rows you collaborate on with your team. Find the item you want to fix. Next to the item's name, open the items menu and choose Open Item Page. This brings you into a focused view of that single item with all of its columns, updates, and related activity in one place. It's the best spot for retracing what changed and when. On the item page, look for the activity log. This section records a timeline of the item's history, things like status updates, text edits, date changes, assignments, and more. It shows who made each change and the exact time, so you get full context before you take action. Take a moment to scan the entries and confirm which update you want to reverse. Accuracy matters here, especially if several changes happen close together. When you found the specific entry you want to revert, click Undo next to that log line. Monday will immediately restore the value from before that change, so a status flips back, a text field returns to the previous content, or a date reverts to the earlier selection. You'll usually see a quick confirmation, and the activity log will record this undo as well, keeping your audit trail intact. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see an undo option on a particular entry, that action may not be reversible or your permissions might limit it. In that case, you can manually change the field back using the details shown in the log, or check with a workspace admin. After undoing, refresh the board or glance back at the main table to confirm the value now looks correct across views and automations. And that's it. Navigate to your board, open the item page, review the activity log, pick the exact change, and click Undo. It's a simple, reliable way to correct mistakes without disrupting the rest of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Monday.